Welcome to Learn Data with Mark. In this video, we're going to learn how to limit the column width of a bunch of text using the Unix Fold Command. Okay, so if we come over to the terminal now, we're going to use the kcat command to get 5 records from the orders stream. And once we've got that, let's just pipe it into sed so that we can have a line between each of our messages, which will make it easier to see what we're doing. Now, as you can see at the moment, those messages are stretching like the entire width of the terminal, and they're folding on to the next line at some random point. And so I wanted to be able to restrict it so that I could paste the JSON messages either into a slide or into some documentation, or I get to choose like what the width is. And so while researching this, I came across this fold command. And so you can see the man page on the screen at the moment, and this does exactly what we want. So now let's just close the man page, and we're just going to pipe the output of kcat through that fold command. And you can see by default, it actually restricts things to a width of 80 columns. But we can configure that. So for example, we could choose to limit it by a number of bytes. So for example, here we're saying, hey, I want to only show 50 bytes per column. Or we can explicitly specify the number of columns. So here we're saying, hey, I want to only show 90 columns. And you'll notice on the right-hand side, it's kind of folding at some weird places. And so luckily they've thought of this. And so we can actually pass in the -s parameter. And if we do this, it's going to fold at or before 90 columns, but where there's a space. And so you can see now, if we run that command, it looks much better. Like the places that it's chosen to fold kind of looks more natural. And it's done exactly what I wanted. So that's the end of this video. So hopefully, if you find yourself needing to restrict the column width of some text, be it CSV files or JSON documents or anything else, you too can try out this command. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.